The Secret of the Whispering Bear. Once, in a land of tall pines and rolling hills, lived two boys named Silas and Bram. They had been neighbors since they were very small and did everything together. Today, they were setting out on a grand adventure through the deep wood forest, carrying walking sticks and heavy packs filled with treats. Silas and Bram promised to always look out for one another. "No matter what happens," Silas said, puffing out his chest. "We will stay together." Bram nodded, feeling safe with his friend by his side. The forest was thick with ferns, and the air smelled of sweet pine needles and damp earth. As they walked deeper into the woods, the shadows grew longer. Suddenly, the bushes nearby began to rustle and shake. A low, heavy grumble echoed through the trees. Silas and Bram froze, their eyes wide as they stared into the dark greenery, wondering what was hiding there. With a loud crack of a branch, a massive, furry bear stepped out onto the path. It was taller than both boys and had thick brown fur and a very large nose. Silas's heart hammered against his ribs. Without saying a word to Bram, he dropped his pack and looked for a way to escape. Silas was very good at climbing. Before the bear could take another step, Silas leaped onto the lowest branch of a sturdy oak tree. He scrambled up higher and higher until he was tucked safely away among the thick leaves, looking down at the ground with a pale face. Down on the path, Bram was left all alone. He knew he could not climb as fast as Silas, and there was nowhere to hide. He remembered hearing that bears sometimes leave things alone if they think they aren't alive. Quickly, Bram dropped to the ground and held his breath, lying as still as a stone. The great bear lumbered over to Bram. It lowered its heavy head and began to sniff. It sniffed Bram's shoes, then his back, and finally, it put its wet nose right against Bram's ear. The forest was silent, except for the heavy, huffing breath of the bear as it circled the boy. The bear stayed for what felt like a very long time, but eventually, it lost interest. It let out one last huff, turned its large body around, and began to wander back into the deep shadows of the forest. Soon, the sound of its heavy footsteps faded away into the distance. When Silas was sure the bear was gone, he slowly climbed down from the tree. He brushed the dust off his clothes and walked over to Bram, who was just starting to sit up. Silas gave a nervous laugh. "That was close. Tell me, Bram, what did that bear whisper in your ear?" Bram looked at Silas for a long moment, then stood up and picked up his bag. "The bear told me a secret," Bram said quietly. "He told me never to travel with a friend who leaves you when danger is near." Bram then began to walk home, leaving Silas standing alone under the oak tree.